How to leverage ChatGPT for social media management. So you can definitely use the ChatGPT to your benefit to managing your social handles. So let's say that you have a Facebook post about a vacancy that you want to post. You can simply ask ChatGPT to write a caption for you, prepare hashtags, some of the trending topic hashtags, so that it will be sent to the relevant viewers. So I will just type in, let's say, write a short caption about a vacancy position for, let's say, vacancy position for Digi Draft Company. Let's say right like this, and the position will be about content creation, work type. Just give it any details that you prefer. Work type, let's say both hybrid, and then write some relevant hashtags as well, right? So basically it will basically generate certain type of caption or prompts that you can use. If you don't like the response, obviously you can always chat on this option and then ask it to regenerate for you, and then you'll be able to copy and paste this, and then obviously you'll be able to post them on your social handles. If you have got the premium, you can also even ask it to design some images or banners that you prefer. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.